Why collaborative robotics is the answer to SMB automation. Technology is an essential aspect of company operations. Many firms invest in automation and robotics to streamline their processes, boost profitability, and establish a safe working environment. In particular, SMBs, or small and medium-sized businesses, rely on automation to substantially increase their process and workforce efficiency. Still, most SMEs hesitate to invest in robotics as traditional industrial robots are costly, complex, and call for large shop floor space. In addition, the payback period for these robots is quite prolonged, making them all the more pricey for SMBs. Cobots are inexpensive, easy to program, and designed to work together, assist, and interact with human workers, thus establishing an entry point for introducing automation in SMBs. The market for cobots is projected to grow at 60% CAGR and surpass the market value of $1 billion by 2020. Cobots are on the verge of transforming how SMBs function. The best part about them is that they abide by robotic safety and security standards, ensuring human safety. Here is how cobots enhance human safety. Enhanced human safety. Workers' safety is a top priority for SMBs wanting to embrace automation and robotics. Heavy and complex industrial robots are typically locked behind cages or fences. Their swift, heavy movements are deemed dangerous for human interaction, making them unsuited for SMBs. Conversely, cobots are comparatively a better option for SMBs. This is because cobots are lightweight and follow the standard ISO TS 15066 robotic safety protocols. Robot system and human interaction in the industrial workplace is now possible thanks to ISO TS 15066, a new ISO technical description for cobot safety. Robert Nelson Shih, who happens to be convener of the ISO Industrial Robot Safety Working Group, explains that working on the safety standards of industrial robots led to a discussion. If an application won't injure or hurt a human worker, why is contact not allowed between a worker and a robot? ISO 10218 specifies 4 techniques for collaborative work. The work on ISO TS 15066 began with the idea that in case there was any incidental contact between machine and human, it would not result in an injury or pain. These guidelines enable small and medium-sized manufacturers to make sure that humans can work safely with the deployed cobots. For example, the guidelines under ISO TS 15066 make it mandatory for manufacturing companies to perform workspace evaluations before the installation of cobots. Likewise, safety standards like EN 60204-1, NFPA 79, and UL 1740 give you a reliable reference to test the ecological factors like humidity, altitude, temperature, and electromagnetic compatibility that'll affect the functionality of the robots. Secondly, many kinds of cobots, such as speed and separation monitoring, safety monitored stop, power and force limiting, and hand guiding robots, are available to suit the manufacturing and safety needs of the firm. For example, power and force limited cobots are equipped with sensors that know how much force humans can bear. They're programmed to instantly stop activity should you encounter an obstacle. Likewise, when a worker approaches or operates within a defined perimeter, sensors can make the stop slow down or stop its operation. In addition, cobots are designed to fulfill injury-prone and repetitive tasks at a slower or at the same speed as human workers. For example, they are typically used to produce digital or ultrasonic water flow meters. In this process, cobots can manage hazardous tasks and high-temperature processes like electric circuit testing, thus transforming the workplace into a co-habitable setting for humans and technology. The latest developments in automation and robotics, connected technology, and AI are giving rise to a new generation of cobots that work together with their human equivalents, thus minimizing the exhaustion of performing dangerous, monotonous, and repetitive tasks in workers. SMBs can significantly benefit from such modern automation solutions. Thus, SMB owners are increasingly investing in robots, especially cobots, to escalate their profitability and productivity and altogether foster a safe and secure work environment. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.